Hey everyone, Chef Brian from Monogram and the Monogram Experience Center. You're in my home kitchen today and we're making baba ganoush. Tough to spell, easy to make. If you're not familiar with it, it's a roasted eggplant dip that's great on meats and it's great as a dip. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our eggplant and we're going to just slice this in half lengthways. Then we're going to get our sheet pan. Just going to take some olive oil. Just go over the sheet pan a little bit. Just so it doesn't stick. I've also got a non-stick mat. I really like to use those. And I just like to rub it around on that oil. Just like that. Into a 450-degree oven. Let it roast for about 35 to 45 minutes. We just want to get the flesh nice and soft so we can scoop it out. All right, we have our eggplant roasted. You can see how it's nice and caramelized. I've scooped half out right there. We're gonna go ahead and scoop the other half in. Now I've pulled this out and I let it rest for about 15 minutes to cool down. It's too hot to handle. That's gonna release some of the juice as well. So I wanna add just a pinch of salt, a little bit of cumin, just a pinch really, but as much as you like. We've got some fresh squeezed lemon juice. If you drop a seed in there, make sure you get those out. You can also add some lemon zest in there if you like. Fresh chopped garlic, a little extra virgin olive oil, some chopped fresh parsley, tahini, which is sesame butter. It's great in here. You want to get that in there. It's kind of thick and it will separate on you, so I like to throw it through a food processor or a blender if you need to kind of mix it all up. And then some fresh ground pepper. We're just going to mix this up. Now, you can do this in a food processor if you want. It makes it nice and smooth. But I kind of like it to leave it, well, you know, kind of chunky like that. Baba ganoush. Serve that with some toasted pita or some toasted naan or over some grilled beef. You'll be happy that you did. Give this one a try.